Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you've seen from the title, I have another Degusta box unboxing for you. I've really loved doing these. I feel like it's just made me try so many new things. It's really opened my eyes up to being a bit more adventurous in the kitchen when it comes to my cooking and my snacking and things like that. So I hope it's encouraged you guys to check out Degusta. And yeah, this is going to be the third box that I've unboxed, so I'm really excited. Everything's new to me, I've not peeped inside yet, and I'm really excited to have a good delve through this month's box. I do have a new discount code actually, which will entitle you to get an extra mystery gift, I believe. So check out the discount code for a link where you can go and shop it, and also the discount code for you guys to save some money on your first Degusta box. And I'm just going to get started, so I hope you all enjoy it. Okay, so for those of you that are new, this is the kind of box that your Degusta box will come in. It always comes really well packaged, really secure, and I always know exactly when it's going to be delivered because I get a time slot and also a specific hourly slot as well. So I can always make sure that I'm home, which is really convenient. And when you open it up, you have some literature here which talks you through each product. I'm not going to look at that yet because it is a complete surprise. And I'm just going to open the box up. And again, full of padding, really nice and compact and secure. And the first thing I've grabbed out is the Mr. Free tortilla chips with beetroot and onion, which I'm very excited about. I believe that these are vegan as well. They're high in fibre and they're gluten free. It's not a brand I've heard of before, but I'm always up for trying new snacks. So these are $1.99 a packet, and it says our chips have strong flavours and are perfect snacks with a little extra that keeps you coming back. That's the Mr. Freed way. Beetroot combined with corn base to provide beautiful pink chips with plant-based goodness. The vegetable flavour is a big appeal to the vegan community. And you can get these from Whole Foods Market, Planet Organic, WH Smith and local independent stores as well. Again, they're $1.99 a packet, and I feel like we should definitely try it for the purpose of the video. I do love myself a good tortilla chip. So this is what they look like. So a nice vibrant red colour. Very good. I feel like those would be really moist as well. And it's great that they're high in fibre because they'll keep you regular. So the next thing I've grabbed out is the Kalo Belgian milk chocolate rice cakes. These are 4 mini snack packs. They are so cute. I love this lavender packaging. I think that's gorgeous. So basically these are miniature rice cakes. Ideal to take with you on the go. Great for snacking, a bit of chocolate in there as well, which is never a bad thing. So let's see what it says about these. These are the Belgian milk chocolate rice cake minis. It says, here at Kalo, we don't think being healthy means saying no to all things you love. Definitely would agree with that. Eating the right way is about loving your food, life and chocolate. 4-pack milk chocolate mini rice cakes are for munching on the move. 104 calories per person, they're gluten-free and no artificials and vegetarian friendly. And you can get these at Tesco, Sainsbury's, Waitrose and many other supermarkets as well. So yeah, I'm very excited to try these. I love rice cakes. I feel like with a coffee, they're an ideal snack. The next thing I've grabbed out, oh, these look great. 4 Greek-style flatbreads from the deli kitchen. Perfect for kebabs, it says. You guys know I do a lot of home cooking. I prepare a lot of kebabs, tandoori chicken, that kind of thing. You'll know that from my what I eat in a days. So I'm always looking for nice bread, and honestly, these feel so soft. I'm really excited about that. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm really curious to see what these point as on the Weight Watchers app, just because I feel like I definitely will enjoy these, and I'm hoping that they're not too high in point value. And these are 6 points per 100 grams, which is incredible. Very excited about those. I feel like we'll be having them tonight. Oh, so let's have a bit of a read about them. So these are the Deli Kitchen Greek style flatbreads. They're £1.35 a packet, and it says, the great taste of the sun-soaked Mediterranean this summer with the Deli Kitchen's new Greek style flatbreads. Fluffy and filling, easy to fold, ideal for creating appetizing homemade kebabs or falafel wraps. Mix up meal times and enjoy and be transported somewhere sunnier for good food this summer. And you can get those from Sainsbury's as well. So yeah, very excited about them. Can't wait to eat them. The next thing, I always love it when I find chocolate sweets in my Degusta box. And I have 2 packets of the Roundtree Random. So we have some sours here. Never come across sours before. I don't know if they're new, but I haven't heard of these ones. And also Squish'ems, which again, I haven't heard of. These are definitely new because it says so on the packet. So I'm very excited. I feel like the kids and Andy will be thrilled that these are in here. So These are £1.29 per packet, and it says let your random side out with every packing of completely unpredictable Roundtree randoms. Have the best of both worlds with our Roundtree random squishums, squishy foam and fruity jelly sweets, or give your senses a zingy kick with our delightfully sour and quirky and completely unpredictable Roundtree random sours. I love sour sweets. I feel like it's a match made in heaven for me, so I will definitely be having a munch on those for sure. The next thing I've grabbed out is a big bottle of Ribena. This is the Ribena Fusion blackcurrant water, which is infused with kiwi. I don't drink a lot of Ribena, but it's one of my favourite juices when it comes to cordial and things like that. I love Ribena. I know you're either kind of a Vimto or a Ribena. I happen to love both, but I think I am partial to Ribena that little bit more. And this has kiwi in it. It's low calorie, no sweeteners or preservatives, and that's a nice big bottle for chucking in the fridge and taking it out and about to keep yourself hydrated. I don't know if that's new, but basically it's £2 per bottle, and it says that the Ribena Fusion is a refreshing and delicate blackcurrant water naturally infused with red fruits and crafted botanicals. Fusion contains no sweeteners, is low in calories and rich in antioxidant vitamin C, which helps protect your cells from oxidative stress. That sounds pretty good. You can get it from Asda, Co-op, Boots, Morrisons, Sainsbury's, all the big places that you would normally go and get cordial from. The next thing I have is Boost Your Chicken Bake Free Flavour Pots, Peri Peri, Spicy Wedge Blend and Saffron Seasoning. I think that these are basically 3 pots of powders and that you would season your chicken, potatoes, things like that. Very excited about it. It gives you a little shopping list on the side as well, tells you what you need to pick up to make the recipes. And these are £2.50 a pack. They're called the Simply Cook Peri Peri Chicken 3-Step Meal Kit. Cook restaurant quality meals at home in just 20 minutes. Just combine our chef blended authentic flavour blends with your own fresh ingredients and discover our full range at simplycook.com. So yeah, you can get them from Waitrose, Sainsbury's, places like that, and they are £2.50 per box. The next thing I've grabbed out is the Ape Crunchy Coconut Bites with sesame seed. I mean, you guys know I love me a bit of coconut, so I am not sad in the slightest about that. These have no added sugar, they're gluten free, contains no monkey business it says. So let's have a bit of a read about these. It says, these are a clever combination of coconut and natural additions like cocoa or super seeds to make our bites delicious and totally unique. Baked to perfection with a satisfying crunch, they make a perfect snack to your day ahead or to cure that coconut craving. Well, I think I'm going to have to try these as well. So let's open them up and have a little see what they look like. Oh, they're so dainty, they're so tiny. Look at those. I don't know if you'll be able to see them, but they're really authentic in the way that they're not sweet. And normally when you think of coconut, you think of Bounty, whereas these definitely just taste like desiccated coconut. It's a £1.49 per pack. The next few things in the box are all wrapped in protective bubble wrapping, so let's just grab them out and see what we have. Oh cool, this is butterscotch syrup. This is really cool. This is basically a bottle of syrup that you can put in lattes, hot chocolates, things like that. I've never ever tried anything like this. I've had like caramel syrup and things like that, but I've never had something like butterscotch. And I love butterscotch sweets, so that's going to be delicious, especially in the winter if you want a hot chocolate. I felt that would be really, really nice. Let's have a bit of a read. So these are £3 per bottle, and it says recreate your coffee shop experience in your own home by stirring 2 to 3 spoonfuls of the Monin syrup into your hot or iced coffee. Used and trusted by coffee shops around the world, the popular butterscotch flavour is available for a limited time in the hot beverages aisle of Sainsbury's stores. So if you do like this, and not butternut squash, I'm all about veggies. If butterscotch is something that you're interested in, this is a limited edition, so perhaps go and get your hands on it now from places like Sainsbury's. But yeah, mega excited to try that. The next thing looks like some kind of jar. So let's see. Okay, this is pineapple yuzu salsa. I don't like salsa very much. So I don't think I will eat this personally, but I know my mum loves it, my sisters love it, so I can definitely rehome this very, very easily. I don't really like the taste of pineapple either, if I'm completely honest, but this is a pineapple relish with yuzu juice. Again, if you like stuff like that, I feel like you'd really enjoy it. It's £1.50. It's by the brand Ravish, and it says, make food boredom a thing of the past with the super tasty pineapple and yuzu salsa. This tangy relish will leave your taste buds feeling absolutely tropical. Dollop some on a burger or tacos to give your food a serious upgrade. I mean, if you like the taste of pineapple, why the hell not? I feel like a lot of people like the taste of pineapple. It might just be me. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think about the pineapple. I'm definitely not a pineapple person, especially when it comes to pizza. No, no, no. But the last thing we have here is some red hot sauce. This is the Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne Pepper Sauce. I'm interested to try this. Normally I'm not a fan of anything overly spicy, like I couldn't eat a madrasa at a restaurant or anything like that. I can handle quite a bit of spice, but I'm not the kind of person that hunts out hot sauce or anything like that. But I'm gonna give it a try, guys, because I haven't tried this before and I've heard really good things. This is a brand I've actually heard of before, like Rowntree's, like Ribena, you know, tried and trusted, so I'm very excited. This is the Cayenne pepper sauce. It says a perfect blend of flavour and heat. This is £1.50 a bottle, and it says Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne Pepper Sauce is made from a premium blend of aged cayenne peppers to add that kick of heat and the whole lot of flavour to the barbecue. Its great taste has made it the secret ingredient in the original buffalo wings created in Buffalo, New York in 1964. Wow, that is impressive. So yeah, definitely will be trying that on some wings this summer. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you've tried it, are you a fan of hot sauce? Can you not handle the heat? Let me know. And that's everything, guys. I hope you've all enjoyed me unboxing my third Degusta box. I would definitely be unboxing another one next month for you. I've just been loving the service so much, and I found so many different culinary favourites of mine, and I just think it's great. And when you add all of this up, the value for money that you get is fantastic, especially if you take advantage of the first box order where you get money off. It's a great time to explore it and see what you think. So have a check in the description box down below for discount codes, links, and about the July offer of the extra gift. And I think it's Milky Bar mix-ups, which is incredible. One of my favourite things and favourite discoveries that I wouldn't have tried had I not had a Degusta box. I'm very much a fan of the originals, but I absolutely have been loving them, and I know some of you guys have been too. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a like if you enjoyed it, and of course subscribe to see more Degusta box unboxings from me and how I'm going to use these in my diet, in my what I eat in a day videos and all of that jazz, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!